So here we've got all the final pieces, so just to put everything together, the final piece. So we've got the two end pieces here. These guys are made out of dye bond. Just attached a tripod plate onto the bottom of that, just to make it easier for us to attach a tripod. And we've our timing belt. We have our dolly with our tripod head mounted on it, and our Wi-Fi antenna, and everything else is wired up and attached on the bottom. We have our two, what I have here is glass fiber. They're not carbon fiber, but they're 1.8 meters long. Okay, I have as well like 4 end pieces. These are just plugs for the end to make the end look a bit neater, so I'll just slap those on there, and then the other end and the other. Okay, so it just makes them look a bit neater on each end. So when you're putting them on, make sure that the timing belt clamp is on the same side. On each. So we'll just stick them in. One pipe first, the other pipe. It's a bit of persuasion. Then we'll flip it around to get the other end on. So again, just make sure that the timing pulley lines up with the other end. No. Just leave them out of touch and tighten them up. Okay, so that's one end. I'm going to switch it around. Now, just to check, make sure it looks straight. Okay, so now that both ends are on, the next part is to just put on the timing belt. So the timing belt is just wound through the timing belt clamp. Let's see if I can show you. So it just goes through the clamp, and clamp it down, and then we tighten up the nuts. And the other one. Okay, so that's nice and tight. Okay, so nice and tight. So let's swing it around. So we're going to put on the dolly now. Just lengthen out the timing belt. That's roughly in the right place. We want to get, okay. Let's turn it over so that we can see it. So we just want to put it down around the timing belt. Okay, so it's nice and tight there. So I'll just move that down out of the way. And then feed the other end of the timing pulley through the pulley clamp, and just make sure that, let's bring that down a bit closer. so we can see it. Okay, so we put that down around. Okay, so we have the pulley nice and tight. Right, so we clamp it down, so we just hold it there, clamp down the pulley. Yeah, we have a reasonable amount of tension, and then just clamp them. Okay, so that's it. So I just put that up there, so there we go. If we turn her on, battery, maybe we'll put the camera on. So we'll plug this in to the camera, mount the camera on. So keep that on there for the moment. Now, so the next thing after connecting in is just get a phone and just connect into the openlapse. So let's see if we can see this, the openlapse. So the openlapse Wi-Fi openlapse. So we're connected to openlapse. So let's have a look at going to openlapse.local. Okay, so now we're into our application, which we'll cover in another video. Let's see if the motor works. Okay. Now don't stop, main menu. Let's go into timelapse config and put in maybe 10 frames. Timelapse config 10 frames. Okay, I would put in 180 for the pulse length. So move it so you get a better view. Oops. Okay, let me stop that. I'll put in a longer pulse length, say 500. Shutter delay 3000, done, save, start. So, seems to be grand. Stop, okay. Okay. So that's it for a moment. On each end you can put tripods, whatever else you want to elevate, and that's it, finished. Now let's go shoot some time lapses.